why I created this guidebook. Based on what I've researched, one of the most interesting differences between food in the United States and Europe is that what looks like the same food isn't always the same food. Foods with the same name, even products from the same international restaurant chains, can be made with different ingredients depending on where they are sold. The American food supply also contains an enormous amount of highly processed food, and the US and European countries don't always regulate or use additives, artificial colors, preservatives, and other ingredients in the same way. That may be one reason we hear stories from Americans who travel to Europe, eat bread, pasta, cheese, and other foods they might normally avoid, yet say they actually feel better while they're there. Certainly walking more, portion sizes, sleep, stress, and other lifestyle differences can contribute as well. It raises an important question. What if improving your metabolism isn't just about eating less food? What if part of the answer is eating better food? That's the idea behind this guidebook. You don't necessarily need a complicated program to begin. Eating cleaner, less processed foods and using some common sense nutritional guidelines can be an excellent first step toward what I call a metabolic reset. For people who want a more structured approach, our office also offers the ChiroThin weight loss program with professional supervision, a structured low-calorie eating plan, and specialized sublingual nutritional drops as part of the program. We also prefer to use appropriate blood work to establish a baseline and follow important metabolic markers rather than looking only at the number on the scale. But you don't have to enroll in ChiroThin to start making meaningful changes. That's why I created this guidebook. It's designed to show you how to begin cleaning up your diet, make better food choices, reduce highly processed foods, manage hunger and cravings, and build a healthier way of eating that you can actually maintain. You can start on your own. And if you decide you want more structure, accountability, testing, and professional supervision, we're here to help you take the next step. Click the link below to purchase and instantly download this 24-page guidebook designed to be your companion for the next 30 days as you work to lose weight, make healthier food choices, and begin resetting your metabolism. If after 30 days you love the direction you're heading and would like additional guidance, you can talk with me about our doctor-supervised ChiroThin weight loss program. And because you purchased this guidebook and took that important first step, you'll receive a $100 savings toward the ChiroThin program. However, if you're happy with the results you're achieving on your own and simply want to keep going, wonderful. You already have the blueprint. Keep using it, keep learning what works for you, and keep moving toward a healthier you.